Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit rich filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and paste to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. We hope you like our new preset. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. You can also check out our Lightroom preset playlist. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. Don't forget to press the bell icon to enjoy more Lightroom tutorial videos. See you next time. Have a great day.